Hello guys, good day, good afternoon. How was your day? If you want to know how I made this beautiful fish sauce, please just stay tuned as I show you how I made it. Cheap with a very low budget. You can't even believe it. So let's dive into it. So I'm going to be using bell pepper, red and green bell pepper, carrot and onion. I'm also going to be using cabbage. I'm going to be using fried ice fish. You can use any other beef of your choice. You can use meat. So I fry the ice fish so that when I'm using it, it will not break up. Alright? So you can use the fresh one if you want. So I'm also going to be using blended fresh tomato and pepper. So let's start the process. The oil is hot. I'm going to add So I'm going to fry until it's translucent. So after 2 minutes now, I'll be the fresh tomato. I'm going to let it cook for at least this. I actually blended and this is blocked. So I blended and I stored it in the freezer overnight. So I'm going to be cooking it for another 10 minutes. So it's been cooking for 10 minutes. So at this point I'm okay with the thickness. I don't want it to be too thick. So I'm going to be adding my curry. I'm going to add Benny spice. And I'm also going to be adding this. I just saw it in the market and I liked it, so I wanted to try it out. So I also saw the fish part. Okay, I saw the fish, so I used it for the fish. So the next thing I'm going to be adding is the carrots. And I'm going to be adding salt into it too. So I'm going to be cooking this carrot for the next 5 minutes. Okay. So right now I'm going to add the peppers. I'm going to stir it. And then add So let me get done with the process. I'll show you. Okay, so it's been cooking for 5 minutes. Let's check. Wow. So right now we're going to introduce the fish or any beef of your choice. Now the essence of frying the fish first is to give it extra flavor and also so that it doesn't scatter in the pot. Please let me know in the comment section below what you think about this recipe. Are you really going to try it? Let me know. And if you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe. And if you have subscribed, thank you so much for always coming back to watch this program. I value you and I love you so much. And we're going to let it cook again for another 3 minutes and we're done. All right. So our sauce is ready. Did you see it? How does it look? Amazing, right? And the sauce is ready. Tell me, what do you think about it? Beautiful, right? Well, thank you so much. Please leave a comment below. I would love to read your comments. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.